Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today I will be telling you about the 5 rules which you can follow to achieve success in your life. But before coming to the rules, I want to tell you one thing, that you all should have a strong will of fire and should always stick to what you want to achieve in your life, no matter what others say. There are many examples in the history and could be even around you that people achieved what they wanted in their life. You all should have a strong belief in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you will lose a lot of things which could have been yours. And if you believe in yourself, you can achieve even greater heights. Now let's start the video. So rule number 1. Live with integrity. First of all, integrity means quality of being honest and having a strong moral principles. You should live in such a way that everyone around you feels proud, even if they know the worst moments of your past. No one in the world is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes. But we should always try to do the right things even when no one is watching us. Do what which ignites your soul. You would have heard it many times from your elders that success creates happiness. But it is not the complete truth. The thing is that happiness creates success. We are happiest when we follow what is in our hearts, and we are naturally willing to give our 100% to every minute of every day. When we give it our all, extraordinary things can happen. The dreams can turn into realities. Always do what your heart wants, embrace it as long as it is not harming anyone or making you do something illegal or immoral. Find mentors and role models. Success leaves clues. Find mentors and role models who have already achieved what you would like to achieve in the life. Try to learn from their mistakes, that is, what to do and what not to do to achieve your goals. Learn their way of working, that is, how they worked in their life. Need mentors who can really guide you without any greed. They can be your parents and teachers. Without a doubt, mentors and role models are shortcuts to unleash your greatness in life. By learning from others' experiences, you can increase the probability of your success and avoid unnecessary mistakes. Develop yourselves every day. No one in the world is perfect. We are all work in progress. The most important thing is to keep learning, growing, and evolving. If you are learning something new every day and revising the work of previous day as well, then a time will come when you will have a lot more knowledge than others who are just going with the flow. But it should be a daily attitude and you should maintain the regularity. You can learn from experiences, books, lectures, video conferences, history, and many other medias. Every day is a golden opportunity to become a better person. Embrace failures. Failures are the stepping stones in the path of your success. Don't get scared of the failure. Never let this thought come in your mind that you won't be able to do it or you cannot do anything. Always keep a positive attitude that you can do it, and always learn from your failures and don't repeat them. Because failure is a part of your life, it teaches us many life lessons. There is no successful person in the world who has not faced failures. Along with these rules, you all have to work very hard. With a strong will of fire, self belief, you should have a never giving up attitude so that you won't lose to yourself. Thank you everyone for watching till the end, and in the end, if you like the content, give a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe.